We're now going to have a demo. We're going to size the developer environment by taking a look at Visual Studio 2015 and Visual Studio Code. We're going to see a solution versus folder approach. We're also going to see how the rich user interface of one is different than the lightweight and text-intensive approach of the other. What do we mean by sizing the developer environment? Let's look. I currently have Visual Studio 2015 open. You'll notice I can create projects. Projects are then managed in our Solution Explorer, where I can look at all the files in each project and have multiple projects in a single solution. What I want to do now is go to Tools, Options, and in my environment, I want to go to Fonts and Colors, and I want to change the size of my text to 16 so that any code samples done in this course can be easily seen. Now, why am I showing this to you? I want to compare this with the next tool. Notice this rich user interface. I'm going to click OK. From this point forward, any of my text files or code files or markup files are going to have a size 16 font. Now I've just opened Visual Studio Code. This is a very folder-centric approach. In other words, instead of creating projects and solutions with metadata explaining everything about the project, Visual Studio Code just identifies a folder, and the contents of that folder become our working files. Here too, I would like to go in and edit my settings so that I can change the size of the font. Herein is our comparison. While Visual Studio 2015 provided this rich user interface, I now have the option of doing this by simply indicating by text what I want the font size to be. So in this example, I'm going to take this and copy it and place it here and indicate that I want a size 16 font size and save this. Moving forward, I know that you should be able to read whatever it is that we're typing or seeing in any text or code editor. The point of these brief demos is just to showcase how different these tools are. They both have unique advantages, and this is just an example of their differences.